All right, guys, this is going to be the last helmet that I've got of Series 11 from Hit Parade. So box number 5 out of 100. And let's see what we can pull out of here. So we've already pulled a Jim Brown out of here. Last weekend pulled a Sonny Jurgensen. Was it Jurgensen or Riggins? What was it we pulled out of here? It was a Rippin, Mark Rippin. So pulled a nice Redskin out of here. So let's see what we get out of this one. So this is box number 5. One autographed helmet in this box. And here's the rundown. Grant G with the Colts. James C with the Bills, Bears, Packers, and Chiefs. Jason B, you've got the Saints. Joe S, what's up, man? You've got the Lions, Rams, Dolphins, and Steelers. Joe's usually one of those guys that jumps in on some of these big boxes and stuff. John W, you've got the Cardinals, Texans, and Eagles. Josh K with the Redskins. Ronald, what's going on, man? You've got the Ravens, the Bengals, the Browns, Cowboys, the Broncos, the Jags, the Chargers, the Patriots, the Giants, the Jets, the Raiders, the 49ers, the Seahawks, the Bucks, and the Titans. Russell K with the Panthers, and then Stephen B, you've got the Vikings. And then the Falcons went unsold. Local teams, so I'll hang on to them. All right, so let me show you it's all sealed up here. Shrink wrapped on the bottom. Nice and tight. All right, let's see what we can get out of this last one. Now, Sean, we haven't done the platinum yet, man. We're still trying to fill it. Oh, it's a bear. Number 9. I have no idea. Is that Jim McMahon? Is it Jim McMahon? It is Jim McMahon. Going old school bear. Jim McMahon autographed helmet. And who had the Bears? James C. James, congrats, man. It's JSA certified. There's the JSA sticker. Yeah, card is down in there as well. So James, nice pull for you there, man. So we'll get that helmet mailed out to you. And that's going to do it for the Hit Parade. So I mentioned earlier we're going to be doing Gold Rush helmets. I did grab one helmet of the new Hit Parade series. I think it's like 14 or 15 or something. So that'll be coming, and we'll get going on that. But Gold Rush is going to be breaking next weekend. So that checklist is really insane. There are a lot of really nice helmets in that. So we'll be doing that next weekend. So you guys jump in on that, and we'll see if we can pull some more great autographed helmets.